Bum, bum, bum.
Kudazambula, Namaste, good morning to all respected viewers. Long live their majesties, long live our leaders, long live our friendship. Welcome to this online yoga session, Embassy of India, Thimpu. Here I am yoga teacher, Cultural Center, KVSSN Murthy. So here I would like to recite an important sloka from the Indian culture and Indian astrology called Suklam Bharadharam Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadhanam Dhyaye Sarva Vignopasantaye. So here, that after that sloka, then next sloka will relate it to all 9 planets called Adityaya Somaya Mangalaya Budhaya Cha Guru Sukra Senibhyascha Rahave Ketave Namaha. And especially today's Mangalwar called Tuesday, the day planet called Kuja, Mars. For him again we have one good sloka called Dharani Garbha Sambhutam Vidyut Kanti Samaprabham Kumaram Sekti Hastam Tam Mangalam Pranamamyaham. And out of all, we have another very important sloka in regarding Indian astrology called Ahimsa Kasya Dhantasya Dharmarjita Dhanasya Cha Sarvada Niyamastasya Sada Sanugraha Grahaha. Means planets always give positive results to the people who are in the practice of ahimsa and who are in the practice of self-controlled, or who are in the practice of earning through fair means, and who are very disciplined. For them, all planets will give the total positive benefits and positive effects. So through that, we can learn lots of things in the Indian astrology. Then after that, again I would like to request that Indian astrology, Indian Ayurveda and Indian yoga, these practices of Trayo, the practices of 3. So one can, like through astrology, one can easily forecast the future. Through yoga, one can easily prevent the diseases and disorders, and through Ayurveda, one can easily prevent as well as prevention as well as curing methods also available in Ayurveda and as well as in yoga also. So let's coming to our Ayurveda workshop. Today I would like to show very simple and very effective remedy for the people who are having obesity, that for the people who wants to get relief from the fat from the body. It's a very simple and easiest preparation, like as we know that. So this is water. Just try to take filter water and full glass of water. Then after that, try to take 1 lemon full piece. Okay, then here also try to give that lemon. That's enough. Then after that, try to add like so this piece of ginger drops, specially grind, and after that squeeze that ginger drops into the same glass of water. Then after that, take 1 full teaspoon of honey, 1 full teaspoon of honey, and this is your preparation. So for a sample I am taking light amount. So right, so all together mix well, warm water, ginger drops and honey. And this is early morning drink. Instead of drinking tea or coffees, just drink this 1 glass in the morning and 1 glass in the evening. But remember that fat will not create fat. So along these practices, after 1 hour you can take see, this is coconut oil, like 1 or 2 teaspoons, full teaspoons coconut oil, mix it with the same warm water and drink before your breakfast. Then after that, if you don't want to take anything, do not don't take, because fat itself will create good proportion inside. So please remember, fat will not create fat. Carbohydrate is a catalyst to gather the fat or to create fat. So that try to reduce the carbohydrate percentage from the food and try to take more nuts or more seasonal fruits. If you have any diabetes, again don't take fruits. Or if you want go for weight reduction, better to avoid banana and like remaining tubers. Okay, and now let's coming to our yoga workshop. Okay, so coming to our yoga workshop. So today also my practices will start with the sun salutation. This is our regular workout in our regular practices. Okay, keep your position straight. Then very slowly inhalations, lift your both the arms and above to the head, make a frame. Then after that, keep your palms together, put it at the chest. Then after that, inhalations, lift the arms completely up. Sun salutation, second posture, Hasta Uttanasana. From here, if you want, go for back bending. According to your limit, you can do light or deep or medium back bend. And few seconds stay Hasta Uttanasana, Ardha Chandrasana also. Few seconds stay 1, 2, and 3. Then come back. Keep your arms up. Then from there, very slowly come to the Pada Hastasana or standing forward bending. Then after that, keep your right leg stretched completely back, push your body forward, lift your chin up, back leg straight and stay. So today also we are not doing any variations. Then after that, back leg must be straight, forward leg just join to the back leg and few seconds come to Dandasana. Then from here, Astanga Namaskarasana or Sastanga Namaskarasana. Then after that, lift your chin up, lifted head cobra posture or Bhujangasana. Then from there, mountain triangular posture. Then right leg must be your forward leg, horse riding posture. Adjust your forward leg and your dress to press your abdomen for a while. Then here, back leg straight, back leg should come forward, Pada Hastasana. Then inhalations, lift your both the arms completely up. Then Hasta Uttanasana in the name of back bending also, if you want to do, you can do. Then after that, then very slowly release and relaxation. Lift the arms completely up. Then very slowly wide your arms and release the posture relaxation. So today, as in our schedule, we have Danda Yoga, stick yoga. So in your homes, if you want to do the same stick yoga, you can use pipes, but see that electrical appliances should be far away from you. So take a long inhalation. So here a simple warm up to begin our next exercise. Hold your stick, then lift your arms up and turn the back, shoulders back and keep the arms together and down. So simple warm up before doing our next exercises. To then come back, relaxation. The same warm up, Udara Karasana, just to turn the body 1 and then slowly come back. 2 and then slowly come back. 3 and slowly come back. 4 and then very slowly come back, relaxation. Then coming to our next exercise, Pada Hastasana, using the stick. This is also important technique. If you have any head issues or issues with the heart or issues with the lower back, avoid forward bending or choose proper way of doing. So we are doing the same Pada Hastasana. How can we do with the stick? Now keep your stick turned back. Then hold your stick to edges. Then after that, drag your stick down towards the thighs. Then according to the convenience, wide the legs. Then from there, keep your sticks hold with the 2 hands. Then while bending the body forward, try to drag the sticks towards your calf muscle. Then after that, completely bend the body forward and stay now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and relaxation. Then very slowly come back. Then very slowly straight relaxations. Enough, come back. So as we already did this forward, standing forward bend, we have to perform one back bending also. Keep the legs almost together. Drag the sticks to the below back or mid back. Contract your both the hands. Push your body forward. Again coming to the Hasta Uttanasana or Ardha Chandrasana, second variation. Keep your hands on the stick. Push your body forward. Lift your chin up and stay now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then very slowly come back, relaxations, enough. Then right, again after every posture, again just go for your post stretches. Now few seconds take a long inhalation, few seconds adjust your body and dress and mat and as well as relaxation. Also quick recovery time, 1, 2, last counts 3 and enough relaxation. So today I would like to perform this triangular posture, next variation, that side bendings. Just observe carefully. We have many names for the same posture, but doing is more important than searching of the theory or than searching of the names. So keep your legs wide to the maximum extent. So this time turn your left leg to the left side, then keep your sticks on the neck. So try to increase your right side stick. Then after that, turn your body to the left side, put your stick towards your left side and few seconds bend accordingly and turn the body up, look up and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Relaxation. Very slowly come back. Then keep your legs straight and put your both the legs together again. One quick recovery time. Take a long, slow inhalation. Then same thing, opposite side here. Hold your stick and like open your left side stick more. Then after that, wide your two leg. The same exercise on the opposite side. Turn your right leg to the right side. Towards your right side, turn along with your left side stick edge. Then few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and enough. Then very slowly come back, turn the foot straight. Then after that, release and relaxation. Again, quick recovery time. So the same kind of exercises can be performed on the knees also. Coming to the like short stance posture on the knees. Just kneel down and take a long, slow inhalation and exhalation. One recovery time. Few seconds recovery time, one posture. Then after that, again stand. Then after that, put your sticks on the neck. Wide your right leg to the right side. Then here, make it lengthy, like left side stick, just make it lengthy. Towards your right side, again full turn. Put your sticks towards the foot and few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then very slowly release and slowly relaxations. Enough, come back. And opposite side, same thing. Choose the same exercise, like only 5 seconds. Open your leg, then keep wide your keep length your right side stick towards your left side. Full turn. Put your sticks closer to the foot and stay here. And now lift your head up and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and relaxations. Enough. Come back. All right. Then slowly keep your both the legs together. Then slowly turn them down and release relaxations. One long and slow and deep inhalation, exhalation. So during the practices, initially do not go fast practices, as well as don't take more time while in the posture. So initially 5 seconds enough for every posture, but from posture to posture take proper breathe in and breathe out. So relaxation always very important in between the practices. If you want to drink water in between the practices, you can drink sip of water also. Okay, take just a long, deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. Right, coming to our next exercise, pranayam practices. Keep your body straight and sit in any comfortable posture. Today also, I would like to perform this pranayam in the lotus posture, Padmasana. Okay, keep your body in any comfortable posture on any surface. All right, take a long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. So we are not changing the pranayam pattern this week. This whole week will be Kapalabhati. Then after that, Chandra Bhedana and Surya Bhedana. These are three. One is not pranayam. Kapalabhati is a kriya, cleaning technique, frontal brain cleaning technique. Chandra Bhedana is one kind of pranayam, and Surya Bhedana is one kind of pranayam, to create a balance or to create a coordination between the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere in the brain. Okay, take a long, deep, slow inhalation. Coming to the Kapalabhati exercise, Kriya, only like 5 strokes. Start concentration from your lower abdomen to above sternum. So start. Then 5 strokes over. One long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. After that, close your right nostril with the right thumb and inhalation with the left nostril. Exhalation with the right nostril, Surya Bhedana. So this is Chandra Bhedana, left inhalation, right exhalation. And complete breathe out from the right. Last count inhalation from the left. And breathe out from the right nostril. Soon after that, put your hand down. One long deep inhalation and exhalation. Then coming to Surya Bhedana Pranayam. Right inhalation, breathe in. And left exhalation, breathe out. Again, right inhalation, breathe in. Left exhalation, breathe out. Last count, right, breathe in. And left, breathe out. And Surya Bhedana also over. Now again coming to the one deep inhalation and exhalation. Then the same thing repeat. Kapalabhati 5 strokes, 3 inhalations, left nostril inhalation, right exhalation, right inhalation, left exhalation 3. So this pattern also is a very good combination. According to your time limit, you can choose more time also for this pranayam. After this pranayam, please remember to do meditation in the sense of like mantra sadhan, or in the sense of in the name of concentration, ekagrata abhyas. Okay, so during the remaining daytime also, if you have free time, try to give at least half an hour time for power nap in the sense of yoga nidra abhyas. As well as in the evening, try to create some more time to do your self exercises, self yoga practices. Okay, with this, I want to conclude this session. Thanking for giving this opportunity, and stay safe in your homes. Thank you for all.